Becoming an IB isn't as exciting as being a Forex trader, flexing profits, and the lifestyle that comes with it. But trading takes years to master, and the people chasing that lifestyle are trading with money they can't afford to lose, forcing them to be right on every single trade. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you in great detail why becoming an IB is the smartest, less glamorous decision you're going to make today. So let's start with what surprises people the most, and that is you don't need to be a great trader or skilled and experienced at trading to start. But in fact, what you do need is the willingness to be useful to people who are still trying to figure trading out. Most beginners are scared and confused because they're losing a lot of money. But what they don't need is someone who's trying to sell them the dream. They need someone to point them in the right direction. And your job as an IB is to simplify how traders can make money from the market by presenting them the different opportunities performance products offer and helping them make the right choice. Most people interested in making money from the financial markets usually start by getting the right trading education. But let's be honest, it takes a while to become profitable. So for someone like that, signals become a very attractive option. A professional calls a trade, the trader takes the trade, but the problem with signals is that you need to be online at all times to take advantage of the opportunity. And most other people will probably say they're so busy with their day job. And that problem makes copy trading and even EAs a more attractive option to busy traders who are not always online to take advantage of signals. But the problem isn't the performance product. It is that most people don't even know which one fits the current stage of a trader, and that's your job as an IB. A benefit most people never consider as an IB is that your income doesn't depend on whether you had a losing day or a winning day. Let's say signals is one of your performance products. You send out a trade and it ends up hitting your stop loss. Now it looks like the traders tracking your trade lost money, you also lost money as well. But the benefit of being an IB is that even on a day where most of your trades or some of your trades hit stop loss, you're still going to make money. And the reason for that is because the broker pays you from the portion of spread, commission, and swap they charge those traders. Whether or not a trader's trade ends in a profit or loss, the broker charges them for processing the trade. Either ways, you're going to get paid. Now, that actually sounds like you're profiting off someone's losses, but the truth is, as an IB, you don't even need someone to lose a trade or blow an account for you to make money. Actually, the opposite is true. As an IB, the real way to maximize a client's lifetime value is for them to generate volume over time. You want someone that take risk management seriously and stay in the game long enough, because that longevity is what actually generates income for you. You don't want someone who just blows an account, because a client that survives and keeps trading is far more worth to you than a trader that blows their account in just 5 minutes. Now, let's talk about why becoming an IB is different from a regular job. When you build a personal brand around becoming an IB, you're operating in something that I call your own market. You're not just selling performance products and earning commissions, you are building something that keeps working for you even when you're not actively selling anything. Now, this means every single video you post is an investment, especially when you post it on a platform like YouTube that has video equity and compounding reach. Because 6 months from when you posted that video, when someone finds that video, they're already halfway convinced to buy whatever you sell without you even speaking to them in person. What most IBs and Forex traders don't understand is when you post content, you are building a room full of people that are likely going to work with you. Either people that are going to buy your performance products, or brokers, software companies, and funding companies that are looking to partner with you. A regular job pays for the active hours you're working, but this is something that pays you even when you're not doing anything. You just need to put in the work once and then you reap the benefits over an exponential period of time. Some of you actually watching this video might actually say, okay, we get it now, but how do we start selling performance products? In fact, the most important question is, how do you get clients as an IB? To get clients as an IB, it comes down to 3 steps that I call the COL method: contact, opportunity presentation, and lost opportunity. First, contacts. You need to build contacts because these are the people that will buy whatever performance products you sell. So the question now is, how do you build those contacts? Building contacts as an IB becomes easy if you've got a strong personal brand. You can build a personal brand by posting the right content that attracts the right kind of viewer, and it's content that basically shows relevance and positions you as a symbol of authority in your field. I talked more about exactly how you can do that in this video here. Once you've built contacts who trust you and see you as someone who knows what they're talking about, opportunity presentation is the next step. You show them the specific opportunity a performance product offers them. Just like I explained to you in a while, when someone starts trading, they're trading because they want to make money from the markets, but trading becomes what? Very difficult. So the next obvious attractive solution to not being profitable is Signals. But Signals has a caveat. You need to be online always to take trades. So you have to present the next performance product that solves that problem. And that's either copy trading or automated trading solutions. That's basically how you can show your audience or your contacts the opportunity presented to them by that performance product you're trying to sell. Most IBs miss the final part. Building contacts and showing them opportunity isn't enough to get someone to buy your product. So for someone to actually buy from you, they need to see exactly what they are missing out from by not using that performance product. That's what gets someone from just becoming a contact or someone who watches your content and trusts you to someone who buys your product. An example would be if Signals are your best performing products, people need to see results, profits, the amount of money you make weekly or monthly from the signals you share in your signal group. If education is your best performing product, they need to see a clear transformation a struggling student has gotten by using your educational product. Being an IB forces you to learn things trading alone cannot teach you. How to have sales conversations, how to build trust with a stranger, how to build an audience, and how to think in funnels. Those skills don't expire. Whatever it is you build 5 years from now, a brokerage, a hedge fund, a broker, or even a different business, they all depend on what you learn during your journey as an IB. But to become an IB and to develop these skills, you need to build a strong personal brand. This video here shows you how to build an expert brand that prints you money, and this one here teaches you everything you need to know about becoming a successful IB.